terrain. We had it right at the start when the Guthica Road was just starting to get really covered in snow, and then now even using it right at the end of the season when it's a bit slushy and the road's pretty clear again.
And I can give you all you need about you.
This dual cab 4-wheel drive is not your average A to B vehicle. Apart from some of the physical upgrades, we're also pretty impressed with its onboard phone integration system and its spacious interior. It's even got enough space for all your gear, and this one even has a lockable tray cover so you can store your skis and boards safely overnight, and even have enough room for some hay for the cows as well.
'Cause if you go down on the line and get to love those fake dead smiles around you, I've cut out all those waking nights and said you love my latest lies for a trick. 'Cause I'm fine wasting away in the sunshine. Do you even wanna?
So that's it, this is the BT50, it's Mazda's new beast and it's great.
Shoreline, so I wanna take you all night. And do you even